What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin, currently sitting at 23K. Hope you had a terrific weekend, down 1% on the day. See, market cap of 442 billion, 24-hour volume 21.88 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, this is where I do the majority of my trading. Grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses. Check out my full link tutorials in the description. Takes 2 minutes. Sign up, email me, or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. So let's hop into the charts. So we've started to retrace as we've been calling for here on the channel. I think we're going to put in potentially a wave 4. I have to pull this back over. So there's a couple of scenarios. I'll show you guys the bullish scenario, which I think is unlikely. And it's that we put in a shallow wave 4, and this is a wave 1, and this is a wave 2 pullback. But this wave 2 pullback has already broke the 0.786, so that's the less likely scenario. What I think is more likely is we're now pulling back in the wave 4, and we're looking to put in a wave A, where we're coming down in a 5-wave move. So you have a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, we're starting to see divergences. So very soon you could see a wave 4 come down in a wave 5 to complete this wave A, push up in a 3-wave move in a B, come down in a 5-wave move in a wave C to come down in between 19.9 and 22.1K. I think it's more likely we'll come down to about 19 to 20K for the price of BTC. Now, if we pop over to the daily time frame, I posted this in the Discord. We are now from the all-time high since we got rejected about 450 days. And it was 460 days in 2015 that from the all-time high, we had a rally into this downsloping trend line, 460 days. And then we saw a huge wave 2 pullback. I believe it was about a 50% retracement. Take a fib retracement from the bottom to the top. Just a little bit more than a 50%, about a 618 retracement, 61.8% retracement. So we may see a fractal here where we do that once again if we take a fib from the bottom to the top. Let me open this up so it's more visible and make sure that it's right on the money. Come on, Jax. Here we go. Yeah, so a 50% retracement, you're looking at 19.5, a 61.8%, you're looking at 18.5K. I think it's likely that we do see that pullback sooner than later. I was mentioning in my Discord as well, the money flow, it's over the 50 line, and we had a huge bearish divergence. Price was pushing out, money was flowing out strongly. So when it crosses the 50 lines, a higher likelihood it's going to come down to the dotted line on the bottom, which is currently at about 21, towards those oversold conditions on the money flow. Well, I don't know if you would call it overbought and oversold, because money is flowing in and money is flowing out. But once you cross the 50 line, higher likelihood money will continue to flow out to the bottom of the channel. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. The DXY bounced perfectly from our bounce zone that we've been calling for weeks now. We've been calling for a bounce from the zone, and now it's starting. I think it's likely the DXY will push up to this resistance, 104 to about 106. The 4-hour is trending towards overbought as well as the hourly, so you may see a little bit of pullback. And that's when you'll see that wave 4 be put into place for the price of BTC. That's what I think is the likely scenario. The really bearish scenario, as I've been mentioning on the channel, is we've ABC'd into a wave 4. We still have a wave 5 down to about 12K. We'll have to see how that plays out. Basically, you have to see how it reacts to a wave 2 retracement. But what we may be doing here is simply putting in a wave 4 of the larger wave 1. So if we zoom out here, we've come up in a 1, 2, this is a wave 3, we're pulling back in a 4, looking to push up in a 5, which will complete the wave 1, and then you'll see that larger wave 2 pullback to take you down in between 17.1 and about 18K, depending on where we start to retrace. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at for BTC. Currently, we're in short. On the Discord, I gave a signal, which is in profits. We got in around 23.3K. So if you want signals, early access to my analysis, it's $10 a month, crypto news. See how the members are doing. They like to post their profits in here. As you can see, 536%, 50x leverage. 5% profit here, 89% profit. So they like to post their gains. And everything else is completely free. All other chat rooms, if you sign up to either Bitget or Bybit, all you have to do is email me or sign up email. Free access to over 2,000 members talking all things crypto. All links are in the description. Check out my full length tutorial. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.